Online shopping versus in-store shopping. Which of these two contributes more to our carbon footprint? There isn't a simple yes or no answer. The carbon footprint depends on how people shop and how goods are delivered. However, research suggests some general patterns. Let's start by looking at online shopping. Online shopping can actually be lower carbon in some specific cases. If items are delivered in bulk on the same route, it can significantly reduce individual car trips. For those who would drive alone to a distant store, deliveries with many packages on one truck can be efficient. However, online shopping is often higher carbon overall in many common scenarios. Online orders usually require extra packaging like boxes and bubble wrap, adding emissions from materials and waste. A big factor is transport and delivery, especially when orders are shipped quickly or returned. Fast shipping often uses air freight or partly filled trucks, which produce much more CO. Online buying also tends to have higher return rates, meaning more trips back and forth from warehouses. Now, let's turn our attention to in-store shopping. In-store shopping often has a lower carbon footprint per item. When shoppers combine errands or buy multiple items at once, it can produce less greenhouse gas emissions. Frequent online deliveries for small orders raise emissions compared with a single trip to a store for many things. However, in-store shopping can be higher carbon when travel is inefficient. If you drive alone long distances just for shopping, that trip might emit more CO than a delivery van. So, what does most research show when we consider all factors? Most life cycle assessments, which count transport, packaging and returns, find that online shopping often produces more carbon emissions per individual item compared with in-store shopping. This is especially true when delivery is fast and orders are small, but there are situations where online shopping could be greener, for example, if deliveries are slow and grouped, and if people shop online instead of driving alone for long distances. To summarize, let's look at the key takeaways. In-store shopping tends to contribute less carbon footprint when you combine errands and buy many things in one trip. Also, when you walk, bike, or use public transport to get to the store. Online shopping can have a lower footprint when delivery is slow and efficient, batching many deliveries, and when it replaces, rather than adds to, an in-store shopping trip. But overall, with fast delivery, extra packaging,